Alright guys, so then we're gonna open Pop Mart. And it's the Minion ones. Okay, Carter, which one do you think you want to get? Which one are you hoping to get?
I am hoping to get either the Rich Minion, the Western James Minion, the Sleeping Minion, the award-winning Minion, or the film director or Minion Pirate.
That just sounds like you want to get all of them.
Yeah.
Are you okay, man? We only have 4. So out of 4, which one? The most one. The best one you want to get?
The Sleeping Minion.
Sleeping. I want the one that's rich because I want to give it to my wife. She's gonna put it on her purse, kind of like a, what is it? One of those
Labubus?
Labubus. That's what it is. So we're gonna change her style. No longer Labubus. That's no longer in style. I'm just kidding, but we're gonna try and put a Minion on it. Right?
Yeah.
So let's first of all let's shake and see which one it is, right? Because I heard that certain weights have certain determination, maybe prediction. So with the rich one, it looks pretty heavy. So
yeah, I call these 2.
all right, I guess I let him get first dibs. Okay, so open one at a time. Okay.
Oh, we got the Detective Minion.
Okay, what else is in there? So we got that. What's in the box? One
We
box.
also have a platform for it to stand on. It just looks like a wood floor. And a background.
It's
Cool.
assemble it. Go ahead and assemble it.
Okay. You open the other one.
All right, while you do that one, this is gonna be yours. Let's put this over here. All right, mine. Guess I can't really tell anymore, but it's all a guess anyways. That's how they make their money. You just keep on buying until you get the one that you like. All right. Dum 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 dum. No. No. I want to have my fun too. Oh.
I bet it's gonna be like a guard.
Oh, what is this? King James? No, just kidding. What is it? I don't remember. Yeah, read it for me.
It's the Henry Royal Guard.
Henry Royal Guard. Ah, cool.
It comes with an axe
Oh man.
and a platform again.
To cut people's heads off. Decapitation.
Cool background.
All right. Go
I'm
ahead and
keeping
put that.
this
Uh,
Yeah.
uh,
I chose that one.
no, 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 no.
Hit it.
Okay, you put that. No, let me put it together. You open the next one. All right.
Okay.
Got a little pegs there. Put the feet in. In the background, there's a little slit there.
This one's big. Oh,
The rich one.
I think
The
I
rich
know
one.
what it is.
And then in his hands, you can have a little slip there for the axe.
Oh, we got the rich one.
Yeah.
I chose correctly.
There you go.
Wow.
There you go. Let's put this over here. Put this over here.
Okay, open the last one.
Alrighty.
Hope I get mine.
Okay, last one. What do you think it's gonna be?
I
You think it's gonna be a new one? Or it's gonna be a repeat.
I hope it's a bathtub one.
Bathtub. That should be heavy then.
Yeah. But
Alright.
hope I chose right. Can I open it?
No. No. Dum, 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 dum. Oh, what is this?
Aw,
What is this?
What is that?
Professor what? Oh, this is a mysterious
Goomi.
one. No? Wait,
Goomi.
what? Goombi?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a mysterious one. There you go. Okay. What you said?
I didn't get my sleeping minion.
Too bad. We're not buying any more. Okay, put it together.
Sigh.
Two hours later. Well, there you go. At least we got the rich one. And then at least the other three, you're okay?
Yeah.
All right. Still cool. Very detailed. All right. Thanks for watching.